I've been editing YouTube videos for the past 5 years, both for my personal channels and also for my clients. And there are some steps that I follow that makes my process very easy. So in today's video, I'll be breaking down step by step on how to edit YouTube videos for beginners. Alright guys, let's get started. So right after shoot, you create a folder, you bring all your videos into that folder. Then you can import those videos into your video editor. And there are tons of video editing software out there. But in this video, I'll be using Filmora from Wondershare. Filmora comes with features like AI image, motion tracking, AI text to video, AI translation, compound clips, and many more. You can click on the link and follow along, or you can use any video editor of your choice. Filmora comes with a free version but with a watermark and then a paid version. When you open Filmora, click on new project. From here you can click on import. It's going to open where you have your folders. Then I can choose the videos that I want to import, or I can just go straight to the folders where I have it in my Finder and then drag and drop on this side. And one important thing, make sure you convert your videos into proxy files to make it easy for your machine to handle. Go to the Filmora text on this top corner, select preferences. It's gonna open this window. Then go to performance. On proxy, make sure you turn it on. Then with video, you can select where you want the proxies to start converting. With mine, I want it from 1080p. Then click on apply. And right here, when you look at this, it's transcoding the files into proxy. From here, you have to wait for a while for the files to transcode into proxy. Then you can start editing your videos. When it's ready, it's gonna show a P on this side showing your video has been transcoded into proxy files. And now we need to set the project settings. With Filmora, go to File, select Project Settings. Aspect ratio, we're going to choose 16:9 since it's a YouTube format. Resolution, I'm choosing 4K because I shot in 4K. Frame rate, I'm choosing 23.97. That was what I shot in. Then color space, we're going to leave just like that and click on OK. This is where it takes so much time during your editing process. But with Filmora, they have this new AI feature that makes this very step easy and fast to cut out the fluffs. On your media side, right click on the video file. This is our A-roll video. Then select AI text based editing. Select the language you were using in the video. Click on OK. Then it's going to bring out this pop-up window. So right here, the AI feature is going to transcribe our video into a text base, and we can use this text base to edit out all the fluffs and the pauses in the video. So when you look on this side, the three dots with the bracket open and close, that's showing the silent part in this very video. So on this side, just select these three dots with the bracket open and close. Then press delete on your keyboard, and when you look down here, it's made a cut on this side. Let me do on this side and show you guys. Select that, and when you look on this side, it's going to select this part too in the video. Then press delete on your keyboard and it's going to delete that side. So from here, you can just go through and delete all the silences and the pauses in the video. Also, I can use the text to delete some parts that I don't want it to show in the video. So let's say if I don't want this side of the text to show in the video, I can select that, and when you look here, it's going to select that part too. Then when you press delete on your keyboard, it's going to delete that side. Then when you're happy with everything, just click on export to timeline, and it's going to import in your timeline. So right here you can see it came with their captions and also the video itself. From here, make a compound clip of the videos. Just select all, right click, select compound clip. We can name it A-roll. When playing back, watch it as a viewer and cut out the unnecessary parts that don't need to be in the video. Before we do that, we're going to divide the timeline into two. So this is our main video and this is our intro part. You can start adding B-rolls to the main part. And on Filmora, when you go to your left side of the software, click on stock media, and they have a bunch of videos that you can select from. So from here, I can just search for what I'm searching for, then click on the one I want to use. It's going to download, then I can drag and drop on top of my video. So from here, you can be adding more B-rolls, or also you can just go to the media side, bring in your B-rolls that you want to use. It could be images or PNG. Then you can just drag and drop in the timeline. Then you can be adding some animations to your B-rolls. So with this, go to the right side, click on animations, and they have some animations you can choose from. I can just drag and drop on this very video file. This is the beginning of the animation, so I can just drag it to this side and then drag the ending of the animation to that very side too. Then when I play and show you guys how it looks like. Then we can add transitions to our B-rolls too. Go to the left side, click on transitions. I can just click on zoom. So from here, I can choose one of them, just drag and drop on this very video. Then when you click on the transition, you can select one of the presets here. I want it to be overlap, so I'm just gonna click on that, and it's gonna come in between these two clips. Then when I play and show you guys, also you can be adding effects to your videos. You can just go to effect, click on that, select one of the effects that they have here, play and show you guys some effects that they have. So one of the transitions you can add to your videos is zoom cut. So with this, I can just select this video, Command B to make a cut on that side, then make sure I select the incoming clip, go to the right side, on transform, click on that, then we're going to increase the size of it a little bit. Then on position Y, we can just bring it down. When you play and look at it, this to me is the important part of the editing process. You have to spend more time on this side and be creative with it to make it more catchy so your audience will not click off. I can just start by zooming in with this video. So I'll just go to the beginning frame of this video, go to the right side, make a keyframe on scale. It's going to drop on this side, or I can just make it on transform to drop on all the parameters. Then I can go 10 frames forward and make another keyframe on transform. Then I can increase the size of it and bring it down on the Y axis. So then when you look at it, it's going to have this zoom in. I can bring some background and some text into it. So with this, I can just go to titles and I can select one of the presets they have on this very side. Then click on the titles, go to the right side, click on titles. On this side, I can change to whatever I was saying in the video. Then when you play and see how it looks like. How to become full-time content creator. So on Filmora, you can get some music. Just go to the top left corner, click on audio. Then they have this new feature, AI music. Just click on that. You can click on start to generate an AI music. I'm going to select one of them. So I'm just going to go for laid back. On dim, I want it to be kind of vlog or cinematic. Then go to genre, and then I can go for lo-fi hip hop. Then with the tempo, I'll select normal. Duration, I can go for somewhere 2 to 3 minutes. Then if I want the AI to generate more than 3, I can increase it to make it more. So I can go for 5, then click on start. And by the way, I'm using the paid version. So from here, we can just play and listen to the song. So when you like one of them, you can just click on this download button and it's going to download the music file. Now you can just close it. Then when you go to generated, it's going to come on this very side. Now you can just drag and drop in the timeline. And when you look at it, the music is so loud than the video. So always make sure you bring the volume down a bit. You can do that by clicking on the music and dragging this down, or you can go to the right side and drag the volume down on this very side. And now sound effects. With sound effects, just on the audio side, they have some sound effects with Filmora tool, so you can choose right from this side. So let's say if I want to use a whoosh, click on that, play to see how it looks like. Then the one that I like, I can just drag and drop down this side. So with this, I want it to match exactly with the transition we used on this side. So just drag it to that very side. And then you play and check and look at how it sounds like. Try to understand. And there are some few good music platforms that you can get your music and sound effects from. With this part, I believe most of you might not need it, but for those who need it, you can just go in the timeline. And remember, we made a compound clip earlier on. Just double click on that. It's gonna open the compound clip. Go to the left side, click on media, then click on adjustment layer. Drag adjustment layer in your timeline. Stretch it, make it the same length as your videos. Go to the right side, click on color, and I'm gonna add a lot to this. Just click on that, click on the lot, then I'm gonna do adjustments to the lots. And then when you go back to your main timeline, we can just click on this side, click on main timeline. And now when you look at it, because we use adjustment layer and a compound clip, it's going to affect all the videos in the timeline. And that will save you lots of time. This stage is really important. Make sure you take your time, watch your edit over and over to check if there are some corrections that you need to make or if there are some mistakes you did that you need to correct. This is the best part, and I believe everyone will love this step. With Filmora, go to the top right corner, click on export, then change the name, choose where you want to save the video. With the presets, we're going to leave it just like that. Because YouTube recommend MP4, we're going to leave it just like that. Quality, I'm going to go for recommend. Resolution, just like that. Frame rate, I'm going to leave it just like that. Then scroll down, make sure you turn off auto highlight. We don't need any highlights or 60 seconds highlight of it, and that's really a good feature from Filmora. Then from here, you can just click on export, and it's going to export your videos. So now you know how to edit YouTube videos. To try your hands on Filmora, you can click on the link in the description box below. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.